class 7 children. Today I am going to teach you geography chapter number 2 according to your syllabus of August. So now we can start this chapter number 2. Class 7. Name of the chapter is Inside Our Earth. Now we will discuss about the interior parts of our Earth. So first we will study that what is Earth. In previous class you already learnt about the meaning of Earth. But now we will just go through this one. Point number 1. The earth comprises of three layers: crust, mantle and core. So in earth we are getting this three layer: crust, outer earth; mantle, between earth; core, hard part of earth. Point number 2. Constant changes take place inside as outside the earth. Uh, I can say that in interior part of earth, sometimes so many things are changes take place. Next point we will discuss topic, what is the interior. What is the interior? So we will study about the interior of earth. Point number 1. The earth is made of several concrete layer. It is about 35 kilometer on the continental masses and only 5 kilometer on the ocean floor. So we can say that our earth it is about 35 kilometer on continental masses and only 5 kilometer on the ocean floor. This we can talk about earth that 35 kilometer on the continental masses and the remaining are ocean floor 5 kilometer. Point number 2. The upper layer over the earth surface is called crust. I already told you about the meaning of crust. The outer layer of the earth, and that is on upper side of our earth. Point number 3. Silica and aluminum are the main mineral constituent of the continental mass. It is thus called shale material of the upper part of the earth. We are getting shale in upper part of the earth, and continental means connected, means they are connecting to each other. Point number 4. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium called shima. Shima means material of the lower part of the earth. Silica, we can call this one shima also. Silica and magnesium, we can call this shima also. Point number 5. Just below the crust is the mantle up to an extent of 2900 kilometer. Next is point number 6. The innermost layer of core with radius of 3500 kilometer, as it is made of nickel and iron. It is called knife. In this nickel and iron material are consist. Next topic, rocks and mineral. Now we will discuss about rocks and mineral. Point number 1. The earth crust is made of various types of rocks. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is called a rock. We know that in our earth there is a large number of rocks are also found, and that we found from natural circumstances. Point number 2. There are three major types of rock. The types of rocks are given here: igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rocks. Next point. Point number 3. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. Rocks thus formed are called igneous. The rock which first came from magma and it's cool and it becomes solid, that rock is called igneous or primary rock. They are of two types. First is extrusive igneous rock and second is intrusive igneous rock. We can say intrusive igneous rock, plutonic rock also, and extrusive rock we can say pushed by volcano. thus which come out from the pushed by volcano, that we can say extrusive igneous rock. Point number 4. Igneous and sedimentary rock can change into metamorphic rock under great heat and pressure. Point number 5. The process of transformation of rock from one to another is called rock cycle. Point number 6. Rock are made of different mineral. Mineral are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. So children, till now here your chapter number 2 is completed. For any queries you can contact me through WhatsApp. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care and thank you.